Hello, in today's video I will show you how to clone your own voice under a few minutes on ElevenLabs mobile app. To do that we need to open our app, then go to Creator and add a new voice. As you can see we have three options and I will choose the Instant Voice Clone. And here you have to press on the microphone button and then you need to speak to the microphone, just speaking anything, to be honest, and after 30 seconds it will upload the audio file here, and then you just need to name your voice and it will be in your library of voices. Of course you need to also confirm the consent of you agreeing to actually clone your voice. Then wait a few seconds after the app will process the voice. Then your voice, which should after all of this should appear in My Voices, and then you can use it to text to speech in your scenarios or anything. I will choose discontinue, but as you can see I don't have the premium, but if you have it will show you these steps I just speak of. So also remember you need to record your voice in a quiet room, the best without any music background because it can cause some trouble with the voice. Speak just naturally like you are speaking to your friends, co-workers. Keep the microphone steady without any interruptions and wear headphones during the recording to ensure it will be cleanest as possible. Thank you for watching. I hope the video helped you. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.